everyone, it is Landon
and Logan,
and today we have the XY Evolutions Blister Pack. So this comes with 3 packs of XY Evolutions, a Deoxys coin, and a Holo Promo Black Huron. Let's open it. We're done opening it, and it came with 3 packs. The Raichu pack art, the Blastoise pack art, and the Venusaur pack art. Then it came with a Holo Black Huron promo card. And then this red Deoxys coin, which is amazing. So let's see. Heads, we're gonna pull a full art Mega EX. Tails, we're just gonna pull a normal EX. Over the camera.
Heads! It's heads!
Let's see if the coin was correct. Okay, let's do.
What's the order you're going to do?
Venusaur, Blastoise, Raichu.
Yeah, save the best for last.
Oh, this is amazing.
Oh,
these cards are like.
I
don't think we got anything in this pack because the code art. If it's like all green, then that means you didn't get an EX. But if it's white, then that means you get a Holo or an EX. So we got Porygon, Pidgeot, Spirit Link, we still could pull a secret rare or break. We did it. We pulled another secret